Look, these are students at the NTMA Training Centers, learning how to use the newest high-technology manufacturing equipment. And with these skills, they're getting jobs, local jobs, making parts for jet aircraft and trucks and cars, and even building rockets for space travel and to launch satellites. Some high-tech jobs can pay big money. That's what some headhunters told me at a recent NTMA job fair.
A good mold maker and a good tool maker will make over $100,000 a year.
You can make $80,000 a year with all the overtime and everything.
For the entry-level positions, it could be anywhere from $13 to $14 an hour. Higher level with a few years of experience, going up to maybe like 17, 18. And then once you get into the programming, in the $20 range.
And this is that job fair. Here's the proof that NTMA graduates are getting jobs and are in demand. This job fair was at the NTMA Training Center campus in Norwalk. These recruiters are from local companies with jobs open, and they are hiring NTMA graduates. Jedco is one of the companies that's hiring.
We manufacture switches, components for the automobile industry, for Chrysler.
You have jobs now?
Oh yes, right now we have openings for maintenance and machine work, machinists. And hopefully to be able to train them to become tool makers, like tool and die and mold making.
Haas Manufacturing is here. It makes factory equipment.
There's about 25 positions open currently. Also a couple positions in the Haas Master Apprentice program. The Master Apprentice program is a program where a continuation of a 2-year or a certificate program that teaches you all facets of manufacturing. Students from NTMA have what it takes to be successful in manufacturing, so that's why we are here.
They get the right training for you?
They have more than enough training for what we need.
Rexnord Industries is hiring. Its factory makes airplane parts in Simi Valley.
Yeah, our company designs highly engineered landing gear and flight control solutions for Boeing and Airbus.
And you have jobs open?
Correct.
And you're hiring here, huh?
We're absolutely hiring today, yes.
How many openings do you have?
We have a listing right here. It's about
10 positions open.
Are these good jobs?
They're fantastic jobs.
B&E Manufacturing is another company that makes equipment for the aerospace industry and defense industry.
High-pressure hydraulic fittings for airplanes, tanks, boats, such things. Government contracts, commercial contracts.
You got jobs open now?
Oh yeah. Couple machinist positions, couple operators. We got actually hiring a QC position today.
What does that mean?
Quality control.
We need another inspector, somebody to make sure our parts are correct.
Do the NTMA graduates have the skills you need?
Yeah, there is a little bit of on-the-job experience needed, but they come in with a lot of the basic information necessary to get the job done.
Aerotech is a company that recruits workers for different companies in aerospace. Are there jobs?
Yes, and there are a lot of jobs right now.
A lot of jobs?
Yes, we're very, very, very busy right now. So.
What about this recession?
Manufacturing is picking up a lot. It's getting really busy right now. A lot of machine operator positions right now. Yeah.
Has it changed?
I would say it's definitely gotten busier since April.
Was that like the turning point?
I'd say probably actually early last year in 2011. Actually, it changed a lot. Last year was probably one of our best years in commercial, and so it's been really busy since then.
So what industries are you hiring for?
Right now, we specialize in the commercial industry, and so all production manufacturing, but then engineering. We have basically everything from healthcare, engineering, our professional service, accounting, finance positions are getting pretty busy as well.
What kind of positions are you recruiting for here?
We're recruiting, mostly machinist positions, some entry-level basic machine operators, but a lot of machinist positions.
Do the NTMA graduates have the skills you're looking for?
Generally, they do. We do work with some companies that prefer that they have an NTMA grad that comes to them. They definitely are knowledgeable in at least the basics when they leave this program, which is great.
BE Aerospace makes airplane parts.
We do from refrigerators to seating to anything that inside of the airplane.
You got jobs now?
Yes, we have a few openings for our Westminster locations as well as Hawthorne.
What type of jobs?
Machines operators, the reason why we're here today is because we're looking for trainees. We were here last year and the outcome was fantastic. We hired 3 machines operators from here, so we decided to come back, and it's great. It's a great turnout for us.
Michael Kerwin is president of the NTMA Training Centers. He told me about getting an education here.
We have access to financial aid, Pell Grants and loans, just like any regular college. We're fully accredited.
What type of training do they get here?
This is basic machinist training. So they're going right on, starting with a file and a hacksaw and cutting metal, going to a mill and a lathe, and then going to a CNC machine. That's a computer numeric control machine. That's like this big machine back here. And then learning how to program these and to set up these and to run them.
And there are jobs waiting.
It certainly seems that way to me. We just have the job fair going on outside. We have 22 companies there right now, and they're all out there looking for employees. The placement rate here at the Norwalk School right now is 93%.
93%?
93% of our graduates are placed right now.
Other recruiters here at NTMA have included SpaceX.
SpaceX, so we are a private commercial rocket manufacturer company. So we are designing and building our rockets and spacecraft in-house. We're basically providing a launch service to space for satellites as well as cargo to the International Space Station and eventually manned flight.
Yes, NTMA has training for current jobs and jobs with a future.
So I'm here looking for machinists.
Are there jobs open?
There are jobs open, yes. SpaceX is hiring.
NTMA has new classes starting every 6 weeks, so you should call now for a tour and free information. The NTMA Training Centers can get you working. There are campuses in Ontario and Norwalk. Call for a tour and information. 800-962-NTMA or trainingcenters.org for information about how you can get to work.